So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I brought along a friend with me to play Green Minecraft Manhunt, but unbuildable for treasure. So, welcome Zoom to the channel.
Hello.
And today,
I'm recording this on my side.
Yeah.
So just sub to both our channels.
Yep.
I'll leave a link in this description.
And I'll leave a link for his in my description too. So,
Yes, please.
yeah. So you all guys know that Zach, aka Zach, is a member of this channel. So I actually met Noah because of Zach. But anyways,
Yes.
Let's get on with the video. So
Wait, you just said me by my name.
that's
Whatever.
Fine. You can call me Nick. I'll call you Noah. That's fine.
Okay, just keep blurred out.
I can't bleep it out. I use iMovie for editing.
We use iMovie?
Yes.
Okay.
Where are you? Where
I'm
are
running.
you?
Oh no, I see. I'm running.
Here I am, Hattie.
This is like ice skating.
Bum. Did you get hurt?
Yes, I'm almost oofed. Crap, get up. No, I can't get up. No. No. I'm getting dragged in.
Talk about manhunts.
Yeah. You ran into me. Crap.
Where are you? Did you die?
What? Yes, I died. Let's do this again.
Is
there a real manhunt with no respawn or whatever the junk that is?
Okay, so after I say this, the comments will go into a war zone. Good thing I turned off comments. But don't you hate that song called Driver's License? I don't mean to be mean or anything, but that's just my own personal opinion.
I don't know even what that song is.
It goes like this. I got my driver's license last week, like we always talked about. You know, I should probably shut up now because I don't want to get copyrighted.
Yeah. I don't know what that song is.
Well, it's actually the #1 song in the United States for some reason.
What?
Yes.
That's not true. You can't make that. Then that's not possible. I'm
not lying. It is. Yes, Johnny.
Rocks. Yes. Go. Go.
No.
Fudge. No, the rock disappeared when I tried to jump on it.
Quickly destroy your boat.
Results, $8. Claim.
You mean 8 gold?
Yes.
Okay, so today, now I'm going to try something different. I'm going to use my machine I just simply named Come. And the reason I say that I made it, because we already made 6 different copies of this video, but they all got interrupted, so...
By my sister.
Get ready to die!
Don't, please, I'm still making a boat. Please. Give me a chance to at least launch, okay? Please don't kill me. Yeah. You just shot a gun at me.
I tried to. And it's not a gun, it's a harpoon. Get your things right.
It's a gun.
Yes, harpoon. It's a harpoon gun.
It's a harpoon gun, yeah. It's a harpoon gun.
Alright,
I'm out of here. See ya, stinker.
How dare you call me a stinker?
Wait. My engine is not on land. I can't go anywhere.
Yes.
No. Wait. Someone joined. You joined? Ava joined.
Well,
anyway, build.
Oh, you want me to just flex a bit? Here, I'm also gonna help you.
Kill me now. There's nothing I can do.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna try to get your thing. I'm gonna hijack you. Oh my god. Just got yeeted.
What did you say again?
I was gonna try to hijack you.
So, I made this boat for 2 people. So, yeah, since we're 2 people, we can just... That sounds so wrong whatsoever.
I need to reset my character. This doesn't count.
No. Here, I'm gonna take you to the end, okay?
What? What do you mean? This is not Minecraft.
I mean it. I'm gonna take you to the end of the map. Hop in my boat now.
Oh. Okay. Don't murder me.
Don't click that. Don't click that glowy block thing, okay? No, what? It's a force field.
What now? So what?
Don't know why?
Why? Looks like a big glowing path.
Oh, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna take you somewhere that you don't like.
Why?
The force field that basically does this.
Yay!
But we need that for the last level because there's humongous rocks at the last level.
It's unlimited, right?
800. Noah, stop it.
It's unlimited.
No, it isn't. So follow me, okay?
Why'd you ditch your bow?
Because I want you to follow me.
Okay. Oh. Krabby Patty mine. That's gonna be happy. What?
Why are you jumping in an acid pit?
Oh crap! What? That's acid! Oh! Don't jump in that.
Yes!
What the heck, man?
I did that to you.
Why did you do that? You got oofed too!
I know. Okay, so next I'm gonna bring in. Should I bring in here? I'm gonna take.
That didn't count. I have 3 lives now. If I die, then I die.
Here. Here. I'm gonna take you to I'm actually gonna take you to the end, okay?
Ender Dragon.
We don't want to get copyrighted by Mojang now.
I'm not gonna copyright us as long as they don't know. What? Okay.
As long as they don't know our bites.
Yeah, as long as we don't know who they are. Crap, I put them wrong there. Alright. Build out, launch, yes. Oh crap!
Don't launch yet. I have a boat I want to take you in, okay? It's safe.
Okay.
Don't worry.
No, it isn't. I don't believe
Trust me, it is.
Holy moly! This isn't a good bow I just launched. No, it was a line. It was literally a line. Well, that might be good if I didn't put it on the wrong side. I'm gonna try to launch it next. Hello?
Hi.
You still there?
What the heck is it? Oh my god! Your long boat just came to my base.
Isn't it hilarious?
Yes.
My new one's stupid.
Here. I'm gonna.
This one's definitely gonna get done. I want this video to get demonetized. I don't know why.
But we don't make money anyway, so we can't get demonetized.
Why not?
Because we don't make money.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
You forgot that we don't have 1,000 subscribers to make money?
Yes.
I just forget that a check comes in from YouTube every day.
I see your bow, and I'm gonna hijack it.
Can't hijack it.
Yes, it has a force field around it. I see it. Now I'm getting the rocks to get to your boat.
So no.
Jump! In case this doesn't work, hijacking your boat.
I'll just let you hop in my boat, okay?
And I'll hijack it.
That's not overcomplicated. I'm just gonna take a ride to you, and then you can sit in the back, and then activate the force field by clicking the button. Yeah?
I hijacked the boat.
No, you didn't. Oh my god. Can you hop in this new one? Can you hop in this new and improved one?
I can't.
Oh my god, jump
Oh,
off!
wait.
Okay, hop in.
You killed me. Where's the button? Oh. I just clicked the red button. Oh, wait, merge them. No, merge them. No. Royal member. What's a royal member? Why do you have new faces around you? What's so noteworthy about you?
That boat's supposed. I wanted to sabotage you by doing something, but that won't work.
Wait, can you go back to my boat real quick?
1 sec.
Oh crap! Holy moly! No, come back! I need you! I never meant to fall out. No! I just got.
So this is gonna be a professional manhunt machine. Okay.
Yeah.
So here, I'm just gonna show you a simple machine I build most of the time. Okay.
I'm most of the time. Right?
Can I
Okay.
just show you a machine I build sometimes?
Okay. Is it a death machine?
Kind of.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we're still gonna get demonetized from what you just said.
Yeah, I think so, but I don't really care.
We don't even make money anyway, so.
Yeah.
What's the point?
Yes.
Go on and unsubscribe from T-Series and subscribe to the.
Yeah, go
to
unsubscribe from T-Series and sub to PewDiePie.
PewDiePie.
How am I even moving? My motor fell out.
What? Your motor fell out? It sounds like you have one of those old.
It's just flying.
It sounds like you have an old Ford from like the 1800s.
Frick, no, like boat's flying away. Wait, what? My boat? First I said my motor fell off. Now I'm saying my boat flew away.
Here,
Oh my god.
There's a simple thing. Simply, just stand in front of the big pointy jagged thingy.
Okay.
Just stand in front of it, okay? Don't ask me no questions.
Okay.
Just stand
Obey.
Just walk up to this pointy jaggy thing, okay?
1 second.
Don't launch.
Oh wait, 1 second. Alright, let me just launch real quick. Oh crap! No! No, you hit me in the head. No, never again. Always fine. Bring me into the sky with you.
You like
I got this thing in my head. No. You're dragging me like a dog. Yeah, I almost made it.
Where?
I almost survived.
Oh my god, I just see your boat being moved.
You see it? I just destroyed it.
It's time for a roly-poly to come into town.
Oh, crap,
These roly-polies like to roll especially when their cannons are red and they're shooting at Zoom Boost YTs.
Frick, oh crap! Go! No, I'm on my side. It doesn't matter. No, it does matter. It does. I was on my side, and when I got to the real ocean, I fell into the water and died. This is fun. Just messing around. Making boats that are gonna get demonetized. Because they look like something. They look like just a stick. It's gonna make
I'm a roly-poly.
The kids will die. Sad.
I just like that roly.
It's like that one.
I just want to roly.
I was just singing along. These boats are gonna get demonetized because they are not appropriate. Because they're gonna like kids are gonna make this and then be like, oh, I can go on the ocean. And then
they're gonna build Call of Duty Wars jets.
I got the highest on my face.
How long have we been recording? We've been recording for 15 minutes now.
Yeah, how did you know?
Because I checked.
Oh crap!
Oh my god, I hate life. I'm 1 gold off from buying an epic chest.
I already have an epic chest.
Well, you know what that means. Take my other war jet I have.
Oh crap! I have to get back to shore.
Called Star.
I have a chest already. You know that, right? I have a chest.
What do you mean you have a chest?
I have this chest. Wait, can I show you real quick? Don't blow me up. This is a stable ship. Oh crap!
Okay, now I have enough for an epic chest.
You just blew me to the... Oh my god. Now you have enough. Yes. At what cost? At the cost of a life. I'm just gonna make it like just this thing. I have a big old Tesla quest. Is I just gonna go out and see with these stupid boats? Look at mine! Mine for some reason works. No. Crap. Let's just hope it keeps me alive. I'm alive somehow. Dude, how am I alive? Nick, look behind you. Nick, how am I alive? What is this?
That's you.
Yes, this is me.
I'm circling you like a shark.
No, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, there it is.
What's in the air? I'm out of here. Let's see. All right.
Now there's just a jet at your base.
Crap. I need help. No.
Why don't you take the jet for free?
Go. Okay, I'll take the jet for free.
You know,
just leave me alone.
Hold on.
I'm building a boat to get away from life.
I'm gonna do something fun. Okay, so I'm basically gonna put a harpoon on a vertical rocket, attach it to you, and then let you ride on the vertical rocket.
What the? Wait, I'm gonna make the stick boat again. And then you're gonna harpoon it, go into space. So it's just a stick just going up. How do you even have those things?
You mean the butter?
Yes. How do you have any of those?
Epic chest.
Yeah. How did you get any of it? Oh, crap. Holy moly! I went past the waterfall and I see gears and stuff like that. Holy crap! I'm gonna die. I lost my arm. I'm gonna stream this in Roblox. I mean, in Discord. Look at this.
Remember, I'm recording, so I don't want to check Discord.
Okay, I already checked it. I'm stuck now with no arm.
What?
Was that you? Come to me. I'm past the waterfall.
Oh my god, I see you. You have no arm. So yeah, maybe I harpoon. Hold on.
Did you check in?
You want to do something fun?
Maybe harpoon.
I have a good idea.
Yeah.
How about you come to me base and me harpoon both of your joints off, including your both arms. But reset your character, okay?
Genius. Alright. I'm saying.
First, before you launch, I just want to try something. I want to try another experiment, okay?
I just got past the second. Now my foot's gone.
What the heck? Can you just reset quickly so I can land my jet safely?
Let me just attempt to get. I'm in the rose part now. If you can too.
I need to place a button. So once I have you harpoon, I need to press a button, and then you want to know what the button will do?
I'm getting closer.
It'll launch you into space, into your eternal doom and death.
Yes, we're gonna get demonetized. We won't.
We don't make money.
Because we don't make any money. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, MLG Gamer Pro! Oh! Oh my
I'm not
God.
even sure if they can even hear
I
you.
love YouTube. What do you mean?
I love you.
What
But
did
I'm
you
not
just
sure if they
say?
can
No,
hear.
what did you just say?
I shields all the way up. I'm not even sure if they can hear you. Crap, 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 crap. Okay, I made it to the fourth one. The one that's like the arcade one without a foot and arm. And I didn't even have to use my thing.
So here's the thing I'm gonna do. So literally, I can launch you up into space in your eternal doom with just one click of a button. You know what we should do on this channel? Well, our
What?
channels? Peppa Pig edits.
Yes, 100%. Why haven't we started doing it already?
I have no idea.
Heal. Alright, run. I have to run.
Can you just
Crap.
stay at your
This
base
big
for a second?
lizard.
I just really want to show you this thing, okay?
Then
Because I have to go. So
when?
now I'm waiting for you to return to your base.
Okay, let me just finish this real quick. Oh crap! I made it to the one with the stars at this point. I made it to the western one without an arm or leg. I'm basically cheating. If the creatures are watching this, make your thing better.
Crap! I
Make it so
accidentally.
that people can.
Crap! I accidentally hit the button. Crap! I accidentally hit the button. I hit the button accidentally. Can you just return to your base?
Okay.
Oh my God!
Okay. As soon as I die.
Can you just jump off and die?
See.
That sounds so logical.
See. Oh my God.
What?
These things are bouncing so crazily. These tumbleweeds that they're going into the next zone. Oh crap! I'm gonna die. All right, that part I had nothing on. All right, so I made it to the bowling ring. Yeah, free jet.
What a jet?
Oh. Yes, you gave me one.
Oh, like an actual jet. I thought you meant like a thruster.
It keeps flipping upside down. I have to jump into it at the right time. Alright, no. All right, I'm in it. How do I do this? It keeps kicking me out.
WASD.
No. Help! The jet's getting away.
So just
Can you help? The jet is somehow getting away.
1 second. Need to do something for safety measures, okay?
Crap, it's got up. It's got on top. Come to my place quickly.
Hold on. I will. I need to take you with me, okay? I want to go on a quest with you, okay?
Okay.
So return to your base, okay? And reset your character so I can actually land safely without water.
Do you see the jet?
Yes,
though?
I do. Can you just reset your character so I can land safely on the land instead of water?
All right.
Okay.
I see you. How do you even get that stuff?
Robux.
Okay. Anyway, menu. How do you get these? All right. Cool. Epic. How do you get a legendary one? Oh, I just got 3 stone. 2 iron. 2 ice. And 1 piece of sand, I think. And 1 door.
Noah, can you just walk to? Can you walk?
And 1 gamer chair.
Noah, can you walk right here?
1 foot. Okay.
Just walk here and don't ask any questions.
Column.
Stand right here and don't ask any questions, okay? So not only on the side.
Asking no questions.
Stand exactly where I am, okay? So I want to take you to a magical place, okay? I don't know what it's called.
Wait, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet.
Why not?
I'll do something first. Wait, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Okay. I'll do something first. Okay. Sure. Wait, can you let me go?
No. You have to. Bye bye. Wait, no crap.
Alright,
Crap.
now
No
do it.
crap. Hold on.
It's attracted to me.
Why isn't this working?
Right.
Crap.
How is this working? Oh crap, I'm losing.
You know what? Can you come back?
Yeah, I'm back.
My jet. Oh my god, I stopped it. Yes. Noah, just stand right here, okay? Don't sit in anything. Just stand, okay?
Okay.
No sitting. Just stand right where I am, okay?
Okay, one second. Alright.
Noah!
I'll go to where you are. Alright, I'm
You
in where
realize
you
this
were.
doesn't
Alright, it's
reset,
moving
right?
for some
And
reason.
now you broke my whole machine, Noah, which took me 10 minutes to build. And now I have to go. And you know what I'm gonna do?
Why?
Well, I have to go now, Noah Gonzalez. See you later.
Okay, we'll keep recording
Bye,
later.
guys.
Alright, bye. Remember to
subscribe
subscribe
to both of our
both
channels.
our channels.
Bye.
I'll give you guys a link to his channel.
Don't subscribe to Zoom
Bye.
to YT. Bye.